Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a song to your playlist on the BandLab application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and then you should tap on this home icon down below, which is the first option. So now you are going to see your feed. You can choose from 3 categories, such as the following, meaning that you will see the posts and songs of those artists that you are following on this app. If you tap on the second option called trending, you are going to see the most the most popular songs that are trending now this month. And if you tap on the last option, the For You section, you are going to see several songs and pieces of arts that are recommended for you based on your preferences and your taste in music. So if you have found a song that you would like to add to your favorites, all you have to do is simply clicking on this heart icon, thereby adding it to your favorites. If you tap on this map icon down below, which is the last option, and here you are going to see your library. There are also a bunch of options you can choose from, ranging from projects to communities. You need to tap on the first option, projects, and then click on the liked music section. So here all the music that you have added to this section by tapping on the heart icon will appear here. You can remove any item from this list by simply clicking on the heart icon again, thereby removing it from your from this album. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.